מארגן את ההחלטה, אבל
As far as you know, is President Sadat not going to Camp David to take part in the summit? And can Prime Minister Khalil take the necessary final decisions that will make this really a summit?
about President Sadat not coming and not participating, I can just quote what we have been told, and that has got to do with what you asked about Prime Minister Khalil. There's no doubt that Prime Minister Khalil is qualified and authorized to take all the decisions on behalf of Egypt and on behalf of President Sadat. And that was also the explanation of President Sadat why it is not essential that he would be there, except for when it will come to the actual signing of the agreement, if that stage would be reached. So he said that as far as the negotiation is concerned, then the Prime Minister Khalil is much better qualified for that, and he should do it, and he is fully authorized to do it on his behalf. And I have the impression really that Prime Minister Khalil is qualified and is authorized to do that.